What's up, my fellow pyros? This is PYRO. I'm gonna show my 2017 stash, the beginning of it. Here we go. Got a case of Bad Piggies. Can't show you the label. It's right there. 25 shot Bad Piggies. Got some Christmas tree rockets. Already popped one from that video. Got some RPG rockets. Got this 2-inch Roman candle. You already know what that does. You have to bury this sucker. Got some Dave's Magic tape. Shout out to Display Fireworks 1 for introducing me to this tape. Perfect tape for your finales and your motor racks. I got some fuse right here. Got the 1 second fuse, fast fuse from last year. I got 2 3-second fuses per foot. Get focus on there. Then over here I got, okay, I'll show this later. Got the whistle to salute, 36 shot. That's how big this thing is. It's heavy. Goes by Hidden Dragon on YouTube. Then I got this, 2 of them. You already know the name. I'm not gonna say the full name, but it's a TS or by Johnny Rango. 10 shots each. Look how big those things are. Then I got, you already know, some warheads, case full for my finale rack. Then I got this box. Show you what it is. You already know. Some 3-inchers. I'm not gonna show the brand. That's 6 in the box. I already ordered my tubes from PYRO Direct. They should be here on Saturday. I'm gonna build a 2-shot rack with those. Just put them there for now. And the last cake I have for now, my huge one. This thing is heavy as hell. Oh, look at this sucker. This thing's huge. 100 shots. Weighs like at least 40 pounds. Goes by MM. You already know what's up. Stay tuned for more videos. The stash is gonna get bigger little by little, and we'll start posting more. Then I'm gonna do a trip to Nevada, Peru, get my red apples, get my stuff. So you can see that's my stash for now. Motor racks. I got 112 shot. 2 years already with this. Then I have 220 shots that I built. Built them last year. Use the Excalibur tubes. Just cut the bottom, poor man's tubes. Save me money. Then I'm gonna build another 20-shot rack. Got more Excalibur tubes. Sorry for the mess. And some fiberglass tubes. Then later I'm gonna build a 50-shot rack. Stay tuned for that video. I'm ordering my tubes soon in March. Alright, PYRO out.